Hi, it's Betsy Jordan, and I'm Behind the Curtain, IMO. I was fortunate enough after COVID hit to be able to be in the audience for the play Suffs off-Broadway. It was written in the same sort of tone as Hamilton, meaning that it was historically based. It was about how women got the vote, and there were lots of things about that production that I really had no idea had happened. I did not know the fight that women had to go through, what they needed to go through to get the attention that they needed to get the amendment passed. They were imprisoned, they were tortured, they went on a hunger strike to gain awareness or to gain the attention of the press. And then because they would not eat, they were force-fed. And the only way we got the right to vote is because one of the congressman's mother called and said, if you don't vote for this is the deciding vote. If you don't vote for this, don't come home for Thanksgiving, because I've decided I want to have a right to vote, and I want to have a right and a say in my government. Make no mistake, that's what's at stake right now. It is that when we vote for the other guy, we are voting to have our rights be taken away again. So this is what Kamala means when she says, we're not going back. I agree with her. We're not going back. I also want to give you another bit of history, and that is that abortion came about, the right to have a legal abortion came about because Catholic nuns lobbied for it. They saw many women killing themselves and their babies, right? Or dying because they couldn't have a legalized abortion. So that meant 2 deaths more often than not, the mom and the baby. This is what we're going to see if we keep allowing for stricter and stricter assaults on our reproductive freedoms. There's been a weaponizing of religion, and I point out that the Catholic nuns are the ones that lobbied for this because there's some association with being pro-life and also being a good Christian. And being pro-life is possible even if you vote for people to have a choice, you understand? But being pro-choice is not available to you if you vote for the other guy, because the people that he's appointed to the Supreme Court, the other people who support him that are authors of Project 2025, all of those are wanting to ban abortion in the country. I'll talk more about that a little more in the next video. There is an assault on our freedoms. There is a weaponizing of the Christian faith. Actually, every faith. It is too tempting for people to do this. And our country was founded on the principles of separation of church and state. There should be no preaching from the pulpit, your politics. There should be no presidents who are saying anything about religion and leading in a particular faith. And the reason for that is because we wanted a country where people could practice their religious beliefs however they chose. This is the United States. It unites a lot of different cultures and creeds, and those things are at stake. I appreciate you being here, Behind the Curtain, IMO. I'm Betsy Jordan.